Alright, today we're going to talk about putting a quarter panel or side panel on the bed of a 2015 GMC Sierra. We've already started the job, but I'm just going to go over the basic procedures. Since we already started, we kind of skipped a couple steps, but we're going to discuss it. First thing you want to do is take the bumper off, the tailgate, and the bed liner. You want to get that out. And you want to pop these caps off if there's any. And what holds the quarter panel on is spot welds. You can see them here. They're all over. They're down there. They're under here. They're under the lip. All under the lip, and they're in the front. So there's 8 bolts that hold the bed on. You want to loosen the bed and lift it up so you can drill those welds out. Especially up here, that's why you have to move it. So we drilled them all out, and we use a special tool. It's called a Blair bit, and you drill a pilot hole through the weld, drill right through the weld, and use this Blair bit, and it's sort of like a little saw. And the pin goes into the drill, and it weakens. You don't want to go all the way through, but it weakens the weld. Then you get a chisel or air chisel and just tap it out, and then it starts peeling away. So that's the basics. We're not covering the exact thing since we're already into it. And once you get the bed all peeled off, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what it looks like with everything chiseled off. Once you get it chiseled off, you want to make everything nice and smooth, make all the welds, previous welds, grind them out all the way around the wheel well, anywhere the welds were. And then we got the panel, and we're going to glue this panel on, but for demonstration purposes we're going to weld a couple of them. We made some pilot holes. And then you grind the back of it so the weld will stick in all the areas where the welds go. Now, normally we don't weld these on anymore. We only weld a couple spots. The manufacturer usually recommends doing around the tail lamp pocket and hit 1 or 2 spots. So anyway, we put the quarter panel on. We're kind of missing a few steps here because I couldn't be here the whole time, but we glued the quarter panel on with this panel bonder from 3M. And we're still going to weld a couple spots. Like I said, it's not really necessary, but we did it anyway. The bonder really holds it. We're using a Miller-Matic spot welder to weld this quarter panel on. You want it on a later setting because it's light metal. Got the gas turned on. Got to ground it, ground wire. Okay.
Be nice if I had a light.
So once we're done with the welds, we're going to grind them smooth and then Put some seam sealer on there or fill it up. And then when that's all done, we finish the quarter panel.